today's video is about giving up. And when's the right time to give up? When should you just throw the towel in and say, I've had enough. I can't do the stress and the worry and the anxiety anymore. I'm just going to call it a day. I'm done. So as a business leader, as an entrepreneur, as a senior executive within your business, the term giving up or the term failure, it's not really in our repertoire of words. It's not something that we really think about. And if we do think about it, we think about it for a very short amount of time. Failure is not really an option. When you want to be very successful at what you do in business, we all know it's the people that don't give up that are successful at the end of the day. We've all seen the quotes, we've all seen the memes, we've all read the books. It's all about the ones that just keep going, despite all the things that are telling you not to. Family, friends, sleepless nights, days where you feel like you've just had enough because it's just not working. And we understand what it takes. So when it comes to something specific like losing weight or even just getting healthier, what's the difference between being a successful business person and being successful in your health or successful in achieving your fitness goals or your weight loss goals? And the answer is absolutely nothing. It's exactly the same process. It's completely identical. Now, we deal with hundreds upon hundreds of business leaders on a monthly, quarterly, yearly basis that find themselves in a situation where they're very, very close to giving up. In fact, they've tried so many different ways to get success with their weight loss, so many different ways to get success with their health or fitness, or whatever their specific goal is, that they've wasted so much time, so much energy, and a lot of the time, a lot of money as well. I spoke to somebody yesterday that's been searching for a solution for 22 years and has spent probably about £100,000 on personal trainers, gym memberships, weight loss solutions, different boot camps, all this kind of these different solutions, and none of it's worked for him. So I suppose the message of this this video really is to say that if you're watching this and you're someone that's a business leader, someone that's very successful at what they do in business, just look back on your journey as a successful person. Look at the last 5, 10, 15, 20 years of what you've been doing, and think at that point when you hit that tipping point between wanting to just keep going and it being a bit of a drag, to hitting that tipping point and effectively getting that downhill bit where the money was coming in, you were successful, people looked up to you, you were influential. And look at that journey and compare it to your fitness journey. Now you've got to that point in your career, in your business, your business life, maybe it's time to focus on the solution that's going to work for you with your health. It does exist. It will be out there. There's lots of different options available to you, but just don't give up, because just like in business, your health journey, your fitness journey, your weight loss journey is a never-ending kind of journey towards that success, hitting that goal. It does exist, and remember, it's never ever too late. You have to just keep on going.